Touching down in Dalaman, golden fields stretching far away. Feel the warmth of summer's breath, open sky meets the mountains high. Bags in hand we start to roam, smiles greet us as we go. Colorful bazaars and seeing view, dreams of holidays coming true. Dalaman magic in the air, Turkey calling silent prayer. Journeys end to joy start, Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Waves crashing on the shore, echoing the tales of yore. Ancient ruins grace the land, warm breeze takes us by the hand. Dancing under star-filled sky, music flowing, laughter flies. In this place where love meets peace, memories never will they cease. Dalaman magic in the air, Turkey calling silent prayer. Journeys end to joy start, Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Dalaman magic in the air, Turkey calling silent prayer. Journeys end to joy start, Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Waves crashing on the shore, echoing the tales of yore. Ancient ruins grace the land, warm breeze takes us by the hand. Dalaman magic in the air, Turkey calling silent prayer. Journeys end to joy start, Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Dalaman magic in the air, Turkey calling silent prayer. Journeys end to joy start, Dalaman holds a piece of heart. Dalaman holds a piece of heart.
Thanks for watching my channel, traveling with Hugo F. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button please. Leave a comment down below, share the moments like a breeze. Thanks for watching, you're the best. Join the journey, never rest. Don't forget to hit subscribe, travel with me by your side. New adventures every week.